Tēnā koutou katoa. I am in desperate need to do a refresher on describing objects. And as you can imagine, you really could talk for hours about describing the weather, describing clothes, facial features, and all the sentence structures that come along with that. That's why in today's clip, we're going to be talking about describing objects anake. Catch this for a refresher. Tēnei, tēnā, tērā. Remembering, tēnei, this, right here. Close to me or something I'm holding, this. Tēnā, that, in close proximity or in the bubble of the speaker. For example, that book, tēnā. And tērā, that over there, that over yonder, for example, that tree or that hill over there, well away from the speaker. So we're going to form our sentence structure, and it's going to sound in te reo Pākehā like, what is this, what is that, and what is that over there. Alrighty, this is how it looks. He aha, what? He aha tēnei, he aha tēnā, and he aha tērā. I'm going to give some examples to back this up, and if you're quick on the pause button, you can hit pause and give your own answers to my questions. Remembering that pretending we're face to face, kanohi ki te kanohi, when you give the answer. Let's get cracking. Alrighty, he aha tēnei. If you said something along the lines of he weti pēki tēnā, you're on the right track. Let's give another example. He aha tēnei. Ai, he waiana tēnā, you would reply. What is this? You replied, that is wine, or wine that. He waina tēnā. He aha tēnei. He miere tēnā. And I've saved the best till last. He aha tēnei. He tiakarete tēnā. Ka pai. We're focused on singular objects. Let's focus on more than one. The plural form of this, that, and that, which of course would be these, those, and those over there. Simple. Cut the T. Get rid of the T, and it'll sound like this. Ēnei, ēnā, ērā. Let's give some examples. He aha ēnei. You would reply, he pene ēnā, if we were face to face. He pene ēnā. If you saw my last video, you'll know what these are. He aha ēnei. Ai, he koauau ēnā. Ka pai. What about a box full of oats? Plural form, in my opinion. So I would ask, he aha ēnei. He oti ēnā. Oti, oats. Another example, we're getting the hang. He aha ēnā. He aha, what? Ēnā, plural, those books. So you would reply, he puka puka ēnā. And the same if we talk about those trees over there. Or he aha ērā. Way over there. He aha ērā. He rākau ērā. Ka pai. Right, let's get cracking because there's one other thing that I want to do, okay? I want to add a descriptive word after the object. So I don't want to just say this is chocolate. I want to say this is some tasty chocolate right here. How am I going to do that? Well, that's when we look at this here. It's the same, except we add the descriptive word after the chocolate. He aha tēnei. He te ākarete reka. He te ākarete reka tēnei. This is some sweet, nice chocolate. I'll have a question for you. He aha tēnei. We know it's a pen, but of course it's a red pen. So you would say, he pene whero tērā. Okay. He aha tēnei. Describe this. Ka pai. If you're thinking of something along the lines of he, raku raku, pango, tērā, you'd be right. It's a black guitar. What about that big hill over yonder? He aha tērā. We would say he puke nui tērā. What about that tall tree? He aha tērā. He rākau teitei tērā. Ka pai, getting the hang, good refresher I hope. If you can master he aha and these in their singular and plural form, the world's your oyster, because there's objects all around us. He aha tērā. He aha tērā. O he rākau tērā. Ka pai? Ka rawe. Kia pai tō ahi ahi, a kia pai tō wiki. Hei kōna.